All right, I'm gonna show you guys the first facet that you're gonna open, and that's gonna be your table facet. Now this is an included stone, but at least I wanted to give you guys an idea of what we're doing and how it's coming along, and you guys can see the progression of how we're working on the stone. So you see that we have a nice table facet starting to form there. It's running nice. We got it against the grain, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the wheel and let it cut down to its full table size.